Hey there, AVSDG Zone fam. Are you tired of complicated crypto strategies that promise the world but deliver nothing? What if I told you there's a way to turn crypto into cash, fast, easy, and with minimal effort? Say hello to Instant Crypto Payday, the anti-info product that actually puts money in your pocket. Here's the deal, Instant Crypto Payday is not your average get-rich-overnight scheme. It's a proven system designed by crypto experts James Renouf and Max Gerstenmaier. This isn't about hype, it's about real results. In fact, this system has already paid out thousands in Bitcoin to users just like you. Imagine this, you wake up, grab your coffee, and spend just a few minutes on your phone. By the time you're done, you've already generated daily income. No complicated trading, no sleepless nights staring at charts, just simple, vetted methods that work. That's the power of Instant Crypto Payday. So, what makes Instant Crypto Payday stand out? Let me break it down for you. This system eliminates all the barriers to financial success. No prior crypto experience? No problem. The step-by-step methods are so easy, anyone can do it. Unlike other programs that overpromise and underdeliver, Instant Crypto Payday focuses on consistent, smaller daily payments that add up fast. It's not about overnight riches, it's about building real, sustainable income with minimal effort. Ready to join thousands of users who are already cashing in? Click the link below to get started with Instant Crypto Payday today. Your financial freedom is just a few minutes away. Don't wait, your crypto payday is calling. See you in the next video, and until then, keep winning. This is AVSDG Zone, signing off.